Hey guys, how's it going? So High Tide is heading to $1. Um, I still only have 100,000 shares of High Tide, and at the moment, I need to remain. I need to maintain a balance of cash and stocks. So it's hard for me to go in and buy another 50 or 100,000. I mean, I could, but the thing is, I've already bought a bunch of stocks lately, and I still kind of want to maintain a decent cash position to stock position. So I can't, I mean, I could go in and buy it, but I don't want to. And but I still believe, and I still have 100,000 shares, and my portfolio is really diversified right now. So I am going to be on the sidelines for this, even if I think the stock might be heading to $1. But if you believe in High Tide, then you should buy some more. But I think the stock has made a bottom and is grinding its way up, and I think there's a possibility that we could see High Tide head to $1, especially if they announce a Nasdaq listing here in the short term. But who knows? At the end of the day, we'll see what happens. We'll see where the market, or rather, I would say, big money pushes the stock price. But this morning, High Tide has some news regarding licensed retail store, which they paid quite a bit of money for. The Toronto being one of the original 25 MJ retail stores operating in the province to date. High Tide has earned over $1 million of royalties from the Toronto store in connection to the transaction. So they are basically paying High Tide paid vendor approximately $4 million in cash and assumed the company's loan to open the building in Toronto store, saving High Tide over $2.3 million of dilution and cash. So, this must be, they're paying a huge premium for this location. Must be a really, really good location. As one of the original Ontario lottery winners, the Toronto store has been successfully operating in Toronto's iconic Yonge Street since 2019 and has demonstrated consistent success for almost 2 years, says Raja Grove, High Tide President and Chief Executive Officer. We are very pleased to bringing the store with its established track record and existing customer base into our corporate-owned portfolio. We remain focused on increasing our retail footprint in Ontario and Canada's largest MJ market, added Mr. Grover. So, very good news for High Tide. Right now, High Tide stock is up 2 cents. I'm not buying any High Tide stock. If High Tide was to pull back, if the market had like a little mini correction and the stock was to pull back down to 50 cents, then maybe I'll think about it. But right now, it looks like the stock is heading higher. It looks like the bottom's in, and it looks like the stock is moving higher. I'm not buying any, even if I think, if I head to $1. Earnings are coming around the corner here. I mean, actually, I don't know what earnings is. It's probably going to be late June, or somewhere in like early to late June. Somewhere in June, they're going to have the earnings report, and I think it's going to be a fantastic earnings report. But we'll see what happens. Like I said, I don't move the market. I try to buy as low as possible, and I wait for the stock market to push it up. But I'm just gonna hold on to my shares. If it moves higher, great. If it doesn't, and start going down again, I guess that could be a buying opportunity. We'll see what happens. Q India delivers, and then now today's news. This is the company that I put a decent amount of money into. Q India delivers fourth straight weekly rating records, and as we can see, for the past three, between April 16th to April 29th, for the past 2 weeks, the ratings has been maintaining and consistently moving up. So it's really good. It's because of the high rating in India right now. They are attracting a lot of premium advertising partners. So like Pepsi, Unilever, and Wipro, and the company expects to continue growing its roster of its premium advertising partners as rating stabilizes at these levels. Last week, the Q View was in over 85 million households. And so it's QU Media is a very exciting company at the moment. They just got a brand new CEO, and their ratings are high, and they're getting huge partnerships like Pepsi and Unilever and Wipro. So Wipro. The stock right now is only up 1 cent, 2.15%. It feels like the Canadian rich people are the ones that are pushing the stock price up. I don't think retail investors are really the ones that are moving up the stock price, because I just don't think real retail Canadians are the ones that are moving this. I think it's the Wall Street of Canada that's moving this up. The rich people, the big money, the financially wealthy people are the ones that are pumping the stock right now. Because if we look on the U.S. side, the volume is extremely low compared to the Canadian side. We're getting 162K, 60K, and 256K. While on the Canadian side, we are getting, huge amount of volume. We got 5.9 million, 2.6, 3.71, 2.45, and 2.6 million. So the volume and the real increase in price is not coming from the U.S. It's coming from the Canadian investors, the Canadian rich people, in my opinion. So we'll see where the Canadian rich people pushes the stock, but I think it's going higher. This is just pure speculation on my part. We are so close to breaking 48 cents, 0.485 cents. Actually, the stock has to go above 52 cents before we break 52-week high and go into blue skies. I think it's going to be blue skies. Basically blue skies. Because the company IPO'd, at 40 or 50 cents or something. So blue sky breakouts coming here in the near future. So, well, hopefully it all depends on big money. I'm not buying up here. Somebody has to buy up here for the stock to go higher. So we'll see what happens. Nokia had really good earnings, and let's look at the stock. It's up 14% this morning. Not too much to say about that. Clover Health is up another 9.8%. Ride Lordstown is down 12 cents, down 1.13%. The overall market right now is really green. Not too much to say about that. Casper Sleep is up 10 cents right now. Dogecoin is trading sideways this morning. Ethereum is just keeps going higher and higher. Blue sky breakout. While Bitcoin is under a little bit of pressure this morning. Skills stock is up 53 cents this morning, 2.85%. Apple is up. Oh, Apple's actually falling right now. NEXE.V and Innovation had a big little mini skyrocket, and now it's just kind of trading sideways. Funware is down this morning 3 cents. Coin is up 49 cents. NGA, I don't know why I have this one up. It's up 43 cents. Tesla this morning is kind of trading sideways, and it could go into the red. We'll see what happens on that. AABB down. Actually, I don't know, because we don't know the official trading until 5 more minutes. But yeah, let's look at some other crypto stuff. Voyager Digital this morning is up 3.82%. Big digital asset is down 11 cents this morning. Hut Hive this morning is under a little bit of pressure. Hut. Why is Yahoo Finance not working? That's kind of stupid. Hut is kind of neutral this morning. Mara is down 1.76%. Riot is down 4.46%. Yeah, not too much to say about this. Anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.